ऐश्वर्या, वेलकम टू दिस सेशन. वी एट गेट माई यूनिवर्सिटी हम लोग इस सेशन को नाम देते हैं संवाद. ओके और संवाद के माध्यम से इस चैनल के थ्रू, इस इनिशिएटिव के थ्रू हम लोग जो एग्जिस्टिंग स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो इंडिया में हैं और जो एस्पायर कर रहे हैं ओवरसीज़ के लिए, हम उनको वहाँ पे जो बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं जिन्होंने वो लाइफ देखी है उनसे इंटरेक्ट कराने का कोशिश करते हैं, सो दैट वो आपके एक्सपीरियंसेस को समझ पाएँ और कहीं ना कहीं जो चैलेंजेस आपने फेस किए हैं, जो आप देख रहे हो, वो उनको आज पता चले, सो दैट उनका प्रोसेस स्मूदन अप हो और वो कहीं ना कहीं एक अच्छा इन्फॉर्म्ड डिसीजन ले पाएँ. तो ऐश्वर्या, वेलकम टू दिस सेशन. नाइस. सो पहले मैं ऐश्वर्या को इंट्रोड्यूस कर देता हूँ. सो ऐश्वर्या जैन, she is studying MD second year, medicine second year at AMA School of Medicine in Metro Manila City, Philippines. और ऐश्वर्या is from from not a very but yes relatively a small city, सियोली. सियोली is a place in मध्य प्रदेश. तो ऐश्वर्या, मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन ही तेरे से ये आ जाता है, लाइक फ्रॉम हाउ हैज़ बीन योर जर्नी फ्रॉम अ सिटी सियोली और टू मेट्रो सिटी ऑफ मनीला. तो वो जर्नी कैसा रहा तेरा, उसके बारे में जस्ट वुड लाइक टू नो फ्रॉम यू इन डिटेल.
As being doctor was always my dream, and considering current general medical fees in India, and me being from a middle class family, so as I go best as only Philippines, and here I am. There are so many reasons behind this that I choose the Philippines country. There are only one major reason that I choose. I search a lot about all the countries, and I search about the Philippines is the big reason. Like Philippines hold highest literacy rate, that is 94% in Asia. So I thought literacy rate means here majority of the population in Philippines are well educated class. So it makes country more commandable and safe to go also. And second reason that I choose, that I like the most, like here in Philippines is a most female dominating country.
Okay.
So in every workplace we can see, yes,
very nice.
in every workplace we can see more than 60% of women working.
Okay.
So I like this girl. I feel safe here also.
Very nice, very
and
nice.
One more reason, like Philippines is an English speaking country, so we can communicate very easily to everyone here. And climate also, so here climate is similar to India. So generally here temperature is 28 to 32 degrees Celsius in between. So not too cold and not too hot. It's very copable.
Very nice, very nice. So Aishwarya, like being a female, right, being a girl, पेरेंट्स का ना बहुत एक एप्रीहेंशन होता है. दे आर वेरी कॉन्शियस, स्पेशली व्हेन इट इज़ अ गर्ल चाइल्ड, विद रिस्पेक्ट टू, बिकॉज अभी क्या है ना, अभी एज कुछ नहीं है. यू आर क्लास कमिंग आउट ऑफ क्लास 12, यू आर जस्ट 17-18. तो पेरेंट्स ऑब्वियसली थोड़े से दे आर वेरी कंसर्न, and especially about the fooding, especially about the safety and security of the girl child, not and even a boy child also, but yes. तो उस मामले में मैं थोड़ा सा तुमसे जानना चाहता हूँ तुम्हारा एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा, और ओवरऑल सेफ्टी सिक्योरिटी के मद्देनज़र आपको क्या लगा, किस तरह की फैसिलिटी है, किस तरह का सिक्योरिटी अरेंजमेंट है, थोड़ा सा प्लीज़ बताओ.
City of the Philippines is the safest city, and sir, here all the buildings are well secured with 24/7 guards, and all around the camera with all the buildings. So it's very safe, and here atmosphere for all the students are also very friendly. Here people are very friendly and they are harmless. They are helpful in many ways. So we can go and ask like we have any problem, we can share our major problems also. So they will guide easily. They're very friendly. So.
Very nice, very nice.
And about Indian food is not a problem in Philippines. Both South Indian and North Indian food is available here, and there are so many mess near our college campus itself. By walking, we can go. There is two type. They're serving like we can go as a dine-in also, and they are providing food as a home delivery also.
Oh, nice.
And good quality home food they are providing here.
And how much is your total expenditure? मतलब कितना आपका expense आता है when it comes to your accommodation and your fooding per month?
Let's hand on how we are living. Like here, all type of rooms are available in every buildings, cheaper also and high rate also. Like we are, I am living with my roommate. We are two. So my room rent is 13K. So we are dividing room rent, and for food also it's very cheap here. It's not too expensive.
So it's like 4,500 room rent and around 4,000. So around 10,000 is quite decent for a guy, for a student to survive in Manila. Yeah, around 10,000 pesos.
Yeah, yes, sir. Average ratio.
Average ratio. Cool, perfect. So
Yes, sir.
let's
Average. Plus accommodation board.
So next thing that really comes to my mind or is the studies. Studies किस तरीके का रहता है वहाँ पे, किस तरह का, because you have gone there for BS, so BS के बाद आप MD में आए हो, तो मैं उस जर्नी के बारे में थोड़ा सा हमें बताओ कि BS किस तरह से रहता है, क्या प्रोसेस रहता है, और उसके बाद फिर MD में आप किस तरह से ट्राइंग्रेस होते हो, और क्या आपका कोर्स स्ट्रक्चर किस तरह से रहता है.
In Philippines, here is a dual degree program like BS 2 years and 4 years for MD. In 4 years MD, last year was internship. It will be internship last year of MD. And so it is also an advantage for us in studying in Philippines. Like we get 2 degrees, BS degree and medicine degree. And in BS psychology, we learn like general BSc like in India, and in medicine there is in medicine like module system they are running.
Okay.
In every year there are module system like major subjects and minor subjects. Like major subjects learn physiology, biochemistry, and anatomy.
Okay.
Like in anatomy, we studied about the structure of human body, and in physiology, we study about the function of the human body.
Okay.
And in biochemistry, it is a biological chemistry, was the living process inside the human body. And in minor subjects, we learn genetics, preventive behavior medicine, and practice of medicine. These all are topic covered in MCI also.
Oh, very nice.
So it is very good.
So Aishwarya, like the way you have
Generally in medicine, sir.
yeah, please.
Generally in medicine, sir, medicine course is based on the US pattern
Okay.
in Philippines.
Okay.
So it is easier to go through USMLE also as compared to other country.
Okay. So the way you have explained the curriculum, एक बहुत ही ऑब्वियस क्वेश्चन आता है जो स्टूडेंट्स का सबसे ज़्यादा रहता भी है और उनको एक कंसर्न भी रहता है, दैट इज़ ऑल अबाउट एनमैट एग्ज़ाम जो यू हैव टू गिव फ्रॉम BS to MD. तो आई जस्ट वांट टू नो आपका कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा और आपके हिसाब से एक स्टूडेंट कितना डिफ़िकल्ट है एनमैट और कितना ईजी है, और क्या आपका एक्सपीरियंस रहा एज अ स्टूडेंट.
Sir, I'm truly explaining, like, sir, NMAT is not a big
Mm-hmm.
here. Seriously, I'm not too that much serious to that. I have the topics and all, like what topic will come inside the anime. So general topics that we already learn in the 9th standard, mathematics, and general topics we covered in the NEET exam, like biology, chemistry, physics. These 3 topics cover under the ANMET exam, and some extra topics are also covered under the ANMET exam, like aptitude, reasoning, and sociology. It's not very tough, sir. It's not very easy. And if we compare it from NEET to ANMET, NEET is 100%, then ANMET is only 40 to 50%
Okay.
in comparison to NEET. It's very easy.
So ऐश्वर्या, अभी क्या है ना, internship is very critical at this point of time, right? Because अभी whatever the scenario is changing from FMG to next, it will 100% purely based on your clinical analytics, your clinical overall learnings and the case based studies. तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट आ जा, और इवन अभी आपको पता भी होगा, there's a good news कि फिलीपींस की इंटर्नशिप इट इज बीइंग कंसिडर्ड वैलिड इन इंडिया. तो अभी फिलीपींस से बच्चों को तो अभी आपका 1 साल बचेगा, अब आपको इंडिया आके फिर से इंटर्नशिप के लिए एग्जिट एग्जाम देने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, विच इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग, राइट? बट आई जस्ट वांट टू नो फ्रॉम यू कि इंटर्नशिप का स्ट्रक्चर क्या रहता है, किस तरह का रोटेशन रहता है जिसे आप क्लर्कशिप बोलते हो, और क्या उसका स्ट्रक्चर रहता है. और आमा स्कूल के बारे में, जैसे मैं एएमए के बारे में बात करता हूं, तो किस तरह का आपका हॉस्पिटल टाई अप रहता है, किस तरह से आपको ग्रूमिंग मिलता है?
Yes, sir. In internship, like in AMA, there is two hospital. AMA has the 2 hospital. One is QMMC and one is Pacific General City Hospital.
Okay.
In that hospital, like if our batches was 200 students, so our team will divide students equally and randomly, not like rank wise and all. No, she will divide in 2 parts, like 100 student in QMMC and 100 student will be in the Pacific City General Hospital, and there will be the rotation, like 12 rotation in 1 year.
Okay.
Major rotation will be like 2 months, and minor rotation will be like 1 month. So every student get participate in every ward. There will be so many wards, like ICU wards, general wards, gynec wards, and so every student will learn everything in hospital, and there will be like morning and night duty. So if duty will be in some hospital, duty will be like morning 7 to evening 4, and in some hospital duty will be like morning 8 to evening 5. It will depend on the hospital how they will arrange the schedule, and their doctors are very good, sir. If you really wants to learn how to practice, they will teach you very well.
So I mean, you should be ready for a hard work, huh?
Yes, sir. Always.
और बाकी अगर मैं आपकी बात करता हूँ, जैसे आप लोगों का नॉटमी वगैरह का जो एक्सपोजर, कैडेवर्स वगैरह, वो कब मिलते हैं? When do you get an exposure of your first clinical experiences and all?
In first year, we did dissection, and it was very exciting for us. Like we are dissection, and we are becoming doctor now. So the first feeling, we touched the cadaver, and seriously, that was awesome. And we dissect so many parts, whole body. Like we start from the skin. According to module, every session will be the practicals. Like they will include all the things and practicals, like microscopic practicals also, more from models also we are learning so much, from cadaver also. Here in AMA, the practicals was very good.
And how's the faculty? They are supportive?
It's very supportive, sir. They are very helpful. Even if we have any health issue also, they will not charge anything for us, and they will tell us like, if you want any problem, you can come us and you can share your problem. They provide study materials are also very good. They are very enthusiastic and they teach very well.
Beautiful, beautiful. So ऐश्वर्या, I mean a lot of insights जो आपने बहुत कुछ बताया, I'm sure काफ़ी आपका अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है, बट कुछ चैलेंजेस हैं जो आपने फेस किए, मतलब ये तो चलो जो ऐसा आपको लगता है कि शायद और अच्छा हो सकता था उसके बारे में, या और बच्चे इन चीज़ों को ध्यान दें, या क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन वो लेके आ रहे हैं, एक्सपेक्टेशन किस तरीके की लेके आएँ, ये मैं थोड़ा जानना चाहता हूँ, रियलिटी क्या है?
Sir, the biggest challenge for me to manage the time. When I came here in the medicine first year, sir, from morning to evening, my schedule was very busy. From morning 8 a.m. to sometimes 7 p.m. or sometimes 9 p.m. also we have classes. So whole day will go in the class only, and every week we have exams. So how we will study in home, self-study, we have to cover whole syllabus. So how we can manage our time? It's the big matter. So it's a big challenge also to time management. Even we were like 18 hours. We were like studying 18 hours from our sleeping time. We deduct our sleeping time.
So yeah, people are making you tough that way, huh? A tough doctor, rough and tough doctor. Nice. So Aishwarya, I mean to end the session, a last question that I would like to ask you. Yeah, so what is the message like that as a senior or as a student who have already experienced the things you would like to give to your young, fellow medical aspirants who want to, see Philippines as a destination? What is your message to them?
My message for all who really want to become a doctor in lowest budget, so they can come here in Philippines, work hard, achieve your goals, all the best.
Yeah, very nice, very nice. And stay safe. Do, take care of yourself. I think that's the most important thing. And thank you very much for sharing your experiences, right? I'm sure this will certainly help, the students. And it is like all learning by example. You should learn from my experience. Why you should गड्ढा क्यों खोदना है, तो अगर मैंने कुछ किया है तो डेफिनेटली उससे सीखो आप लोग, राइट? सो थैंक यू ऐश्वर्या, थैंक्स अ लॉट, एंड इट वाज वंडरफुल हैविंग अ सेशन विद यू टुडे.
Say hello to GMU, the one-stop shop for all your admission needs. We introduce you to the finest universities and help find the best fit based on your profile. We help with applications and assist with documentation, visas and even accommodation. With over a decade's worth of experience, 40 university partners in 10 countries worldwide and more than 5,000 satisfied students, GMU does it all. Fix a meeting with us today.